What's up, guys? Welcome to Kate The Jeep's channel. Today I've got a little bit of an unboxing to show everyone something I've been a little bit excited about. Okay, a lot of bit excited about something a very long time in coming, and huge thanks over to PSC Steering for really coming through for me in a huge way. I'll announce it here first. Basically, I will be taking the Jeep up Chocolate Thunder during King of the Hammers. Tent, roof rack, fridge, goose gear, everything in the Jeep, tools. And as of today, Terry Madden will be co-driving with me, helping me out, spotting me, and then if we have to pull some line, which is very possible, we'll be going up Chocolate Thunder. And I couldn't have done it without the huge help of Bill Steen, Ibach, Milestar Tires, Curry Enterprises, Rebel Off-Road, PSC, Performance Steering, Torco Oil, KC Lights, just the entire community who's come together. My buddy Martin, Frank, Matt, you know, all you guys have been huge. So huge thanks to everyone who kind of like, you know, came in. As of today, Rancho Racing came in with some Knuckles. Synergy also is helping out. Yukon, Gear and Axle, huge help. And RCVs would have been on board too, but I think we just cut it a little bit too short on our timing. So they'll be coming on at a later time. It's been a lot of work. It's going to be a lot of work. The work is not over yet. But with that said, let's take a look at what came in the mail today. Pull out the pick sheet just so I don't get the words wrong on all the parts. So, first box. Oh, this shit is stapled together. Stapled really well together. Yeah, go ahead. Yoggin get to laugh at me. Was not expecting staples. Okay. Jeez. All right. Let's see. Okay. So this box is 715 power steering hydraulic oil. Normally we use Torco for everything, but this is power steering, so I'm not sure if Torco actually makes this specific fluid. If they do, we'll probably use Torco, but thank you. It does come with the oil that you're gonna need. Okay. Okay, here we go, more staples. Bigger box, get more leverage. All right. Let's see. So, I believe this is going to be things like the steering pump, hoses, yep, hard lines. So what this is, it's a cylinder-assisted hydraulic steering system. So there's an actual cylinder that will power the wheels left and right, similar to what your power steering will already do, but this actually has a cylinder that connects to basically where your steering stabilizer normally would be. This takes the place of that, but actually forces the wheel left and right. So when you're running like, you know, 35+ inch tires, it gets a little bit harder to turn that wheel. This makes it a lot easier, and especially if you're like me and you like going fast and kind of kicking around turns and counter steering and what have you. Yeah, so cylinder assist hose kit, comes with the power steering pump. Let's see, comes with a belt if you have a stock setup. I believe I have to use my belt with the RIP supercharger, so that might not work out. I think this is the pump. I've gone through so many stock steering pumps, which is what finally made me reach out and pull the trigger on the PSC system. Okay, yep. Here we've got the new power steering pump. That gear right there, that pulley looks a lot bigger than stock, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to take a look. So we might have to figure out a custom belt depending on how much larger this is. So we'll see. That could be yet another wrench in this overall build. But this also comes with power steering cooler, which we're gonna have to also figure out, because usually that goes in the place of where my intercooler is at. So yeah. All right. There's the new reservoir right here. That is a pretty piece. And the welds on this, I mean, I'll try to get some close-ups, but the welds are just beautiful. Oh, God, there's something about like machined aluminum. Yeah, that's bitching. All right, cool. All right, so that is our reservoir. Put this down here. And then what else do we have in the box? All right, so this is the actual hydraulic piece that this is the piston. Is that right? We call this a piston that will come out and basically actuate the tires, or the steering, to go left and right. Rad. Very cool. Okay. Got it right. Yep, that's the single-ended steering cylinder kit. Yep. So the official name of this kit is the Big Bore XD system, and believe it or not, PSC is getting, or at least has been and wants to continue to grow within the overland market. So I know they have a overland spec system for our Jeep. Let's see, what is this piece? Got tape, taped. I know. Ollie, where's your knife? It's upstairs. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I was in a bit of a rush. Just wanted it to be a little raw. Maybe this is too raw. All right, let's see. So I believe this is the cooler. Yeah. So see the heat sinks on that, the fins on that. All right. There's the other main unit of this, which is the gear. And this is probably the heaviest piece. Throw this over here. This thing weighs like 50 pounds. To answer your question, no, I don't even CrossFit, bro. Not anymore. That's a lot of staples, guys. Okay. Oh man, yeah. This is a very heavy piece right here. So this is the new skimming gear, and I'll tell you right now, it looks massive compared to the stock unit. I didn't realize how heavy these things were. That's good, it'll keep my front end down. I wonder what the stock one weighs. Oh shit. Alright. Whew. There's the there's the gear right there. So that's it. That's everything. Comes with all the hoses and brackets. Comes with all the hardware. Everything you need to install it. There are a couple tabs that have to get welded on to our new axles, our new axle housings. So I have to get that taken care of. But overall, I believe we've covered pretty much everything on this. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see if I can even pull this freaking build off. I better, right? I'll see you guys hopefully at the end of the month at King of the Hammers with power steering this time. And it's been a definite journey. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching, and more to come.